Baby Chick 5-in-1 Multiple Fun Modes Water Spray Bath Toy is composed of one main duck, 3 small yellow ducks, and 1 shower faucet. Each small yellow duck is different for water to come out. Our duck bath toy can attract the baby's attention in many ways, so as to calm the baby's emotions. Baby Chick Easy to use. Place the suction cup on the smooth surface of a bathtub or bathroom and press the start button. Then the baby bath shower head can be sprayed continuously. The strong suction pad's design allows convenient placement and a strong mounting that won't easily fall. Baby Chick